I'm going to show you in the next 3 minutes everything you need to know about Salesforce's Web-to-Lead form. Coming up. So what is a Web-to-Lead form? A Web-to-Lead form is a form that you generate from Salesforce that allows you to put that form on a web page. You might use this web page for signups for a conference. You might use it at a trade show. You could use it for a webinar signup, or you could just even use it on your website for a contact us form. So how you get this form on your website exactly is that you go into Salesforce setup on the administrative side, and you're going to go to Web-to-Lead, and you're going to generate the HTML code, which you're going to copy and then put on the web page where you want to generate leads where people will sign up. Okay, so let's go through this step by step. So once you're in Salesforce, you're going to click on Setup here and then click Setup again. You're just going to type in Web. It should bring up Web-to-Lead. Click Create Web-to-Lead Form. Here's where you can pick out the fields that you want to be on your form that you want to capture when the user fills out your form. Here is where you can choose the web page that the person who fills out the form will be taken to after they hit submit to submit the form. If you require a reCAPTCHA, you can go to this website, google.com/reCAPTCHA, click on the V3 admin console, click on the plus sign, and here's where you can enter a reCAPTCHA. So let's just fill out the reCAPTCHA form here. So you just give it a label. I'm just going to name mine test here. I'm going to choose challenge V2, and I'm going to choose I'm not a robot checkbox. I'm going to fill out my domain. I'm just going to put in here cloudsystem.com and click the add button. And then I'm going to click submit. It's going to give you these two keys. And what you're going to do is you're going to copy these keys into a notepad, because you're going to need them later on. Then go back to Salesforce and you're going to click on the magnifying glass, click new. You're just going to give this a nickname. I'm just going to put in test. You're going to bring up your keys that you copied over earlier. You're going to paste them in here and then click save. I'm going to put in my return URL here to my website and then click generate, and then here's the form. You're going to take this, you're going to copy it, and I'll just put this into a form. I'm going to paste it into Notepad, and I'm going to save it as an HTML file. And I'm going to save it to my desktop. I'm going to click save. I'm going to bring up the file, and here's what the form looks like. I walked through the entire process in this video. You can tell ChatGPT that you want to pretty it up. You would add in your colors and the type of thing you want it to be prettied up with. You would paste it in, and then it's going to generate a nicer looking Web-to-Lead form for you with CSS and everything that you would need. If you automatically want the lead that's created from the user submitting your Web-to-Lead form to be signed a lead record type, I cover that in this video. And if you also want that lead record that's created from the Web-to-Lead form to be assigned to a campaign that was created prior in Salesforce, I cover that in this video. Generally, both of those, the Web-to-Lead record assignment and the campaign assignment being automatically assigned, just involves adding a couple of lines of code to the HTML form. So that's it for this video. I tried to make this as concise as possible. We covered what a Web-to-Lead form is, how to create it, how to create a reCAPTCHA for it, and then other areas where you can enhance it by adding a campaign and a lead record type to further optimize it. Hope everyone enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.